Doug Reynolds, a realtor with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate in the Sacramento, California area. And this is my monthly video update I do about the whole Sacramento real estate market in general, just talk about little things. So this is your update for the end of July and the beginning of August. Real quick, let's just talk about the June statistics. The median sales price just went down just a teeny tiny bit, about 1.3%. The median in the county, Sacramento County, went from 167,000 to 164,900. So very marginal little drop there. Just like I've been talking about for months, I think for the summer and the fall, we're just going to be kind of bouncing around at a pretty flat rate. So kind of what we're seeing there. One very good sign was, again, this month, in May we had increased volume of sales. In June we had a still more increase in volume of sales. The sales increased 5.1% compared to May. So very good sign for June. Sales are continuing to go up. Same thing with that. Because the amount of sales are going up, the inventory dropped a small amount. Again, it dropped to 2.4% worth of inventory. So, the median, not really much of a drop. In regards to the volume of sales we're seeing go up, that's definitely a good sign, I would say. What am I seeing in the market right now? One thing I'm seeing, just want to touch base on this month, is seeing a lot of investors coming into the market this spring and summer. We've talked about it in the past. The flippers have been involved in our market for probably about the last year now. That's been going on, but one thing, I'm seeing a lot of cash coming into the market. Seeing a lot of investors that are using all cash to make purchases. I actually have 3 all cash deals closing this month, one ranging from $58,000 all the way up into the $600,000 range for some all cash deals. So all cash. Some people are finally, they've been sitting on funds and they're saying, you know what, now's the time to buy. For me to purchase a home to live in, I'm seeing people buying properties they're going to live in with all cash. I'm seeing investors that want some rental properties to get a good return on with rents, and then they're buying long term, so 10 years down the road, 15 years down the road, they've got that appreciation, they'll be able to get it sold for a profit as well. So seeing a lot of cash, a lot of investors come back into the market, that's always a good sign. With the investors keeping an eye, and they don't want to get that cash involved with the market until they feel comfortable with things. So another thing is, this summer we're having a really strong selling season. I've talked about in the past where in our area sales typically dip in the winter months, and then they start to kind of come up a little bit more sales in the spring, and then summer we have a lot of sales. Well, we're having a really strong selling season this year. A lot of sales going on, which is definitely another good sign. Properties in the kind of lower price range of $300,000 and below, if they're priced right, they are selling fast this summer. A couple days on the market, they usually have multiple offers if they're priced right. If they're a little high on where the comps are supporting, they are sitting for a little while and probably need some price reductions, but if property comes on the market at the right price, they're moving fast right now with a lot of offers. So another good sign I'm seeing, we're having a good strong summer. Definitely a good sign, because we will, as we head into the winter, we will slow down a bit, so that's good. Just wanted to invite you to feel free to connect with me. You can follow me on my YouTube page. I've got my Facebook real estate business page, Doug Reynolds Real Estate. You can also follow me on my blog. I have links to all of those social media means on my website, sellwithdoug.com. So go ahead and check that out, and would love it if you connect or like or follow, whatever it may be with social media stuff, so you can have updates on my blog posts and my video updates and everything. So I hope you're having a great summer. If you're interested in thinking about buying a property, give me a call. Let's get a conversation started here. I'll get you in touch with some real good lenders so we can get you pre-approved, find out what you're looking for, and get you out looking there so we can find you a good property while interest rates are still very, very low right now. If you're thinking about maybe selling, give me a call, shoot me an email. let me look at the comps. Let's get a price range, what I think your property's worth. Let's talk strategy on how I would market it, and let's figure out if right now is the right time for you to sell the property. If you're thinking maybe, oh, I'm gonna next 6-9 months, not sure when, I'd say get it on the market now so you can still hit the peak of the buyers right now. Otherwise, you wait until that winter, there's going to be less buyers. You're probably going to sell for a little bit lower of a price. That's just the way the market is going to go that way. So look forward to hearing from you. Have a great month and clear skies.